Hi, today we'll take a look at the new AmpVortex 8-zone multi-room streaming amplifier, unboxing it and set it up. In the next video I will do a sound and EQ test together with two subwoofers and Pioneer Tower speakers. This amplifier allows you to connect up to 16 speakers across 8 different zones, with a total output power over 1000 watts. The manufacturer also offers other amplifier models with total power over the 1700 watts. This device is perfect for large houses like your grandma's home or for business purposes. Inside the box the amp includes all necessary cables to get started right away. The amplifier features fan cooling to keep temperatures low even at higher volumes. The front panel is simple and displays all the necessary information, which input and which zones are active, and also includes a mute button. The amp can be mounted in rack frames or placed on table since it already has feeds for better cooling. You can play different audio sources in various rooms or synchronize playback for consistent listening experience. The 8 input sources allow you to play music from almost any device, Optical Toslink and HDMi ARC from your TV or gaming console, Ethernet RCA from your CD player, and it also supports standalone playback via USB flash drive. Of course, it also supports Bluetooth playback, including AirPlay 2, Spotify Connect, and other streaming services. The amplifier also supports optical and RCA outputs for second amplifier or active subwoofers. All the controls are managed through the AmpVortex mobile app for iOS or Android devices. In this app you can rename zones, update the device firmware, set different EQ presets per zone, choose input types, adjust sound levels, link zones for custom configuration, and more. But now let's start some relaxing background music and do a full unboxing and setup.